Okay.
So, Crewton Ramone's House of Math. We are playing with add-ins kit. Right? We call this an addition subtraction kit, but it's basically an add-ins kit. And we got Katie in the house.
And me.
And Raymond is here too. Got a little avocado for a snack to feed the brain. Oh, you want to introduce your doggy? Of course you do. All right. So, we just did 8 and 5. Raymond, you're slacking. We need another problem.
Oh, yep. Sorry.
Pick a good one.
Here, wait, put that back.
Yeah.
Put that back.
Okay.
Just a random one. And
all right, here you got 8 and a 9. Okay, so you get the ball. Yeah, there you go. Here, we'll put it here where they can see it. 8 and 9 is the problem at hand. Put that there for her. All right, so grab a 9. You got your 8. Grab your 9. Put it in there. Yeah. Ooh, it's almost as big as 2 9s, huh? All right, so now what's gonna fit there? Thinking. Grab one piece that's gonna fit. Any piece is good. Yep, try it. Just try it. Wow, you got it in the first try.
Wait, try to switch it around. That will probably help.
Oh, I see, because you wanted to put the 9 first? Because we were fooling around with figuring out how to add numbers to 9, right? We figured out, oh, look, it is one less. Look, so it's always one less, right? Then I have 8. When I add it to it's 7 here, right? So 8 and 9 is the same thing as 17. Good job. Pick us another one.
Okay.
Here, we'll just leave them over there. Okay, put the other ones back. Just any 2.
This one.
Anyway, all right. Didn't we just do that?
Did we?
I don't know. No. Fine, we can do another one. 8 and 5.
8 and 5.
8 and 5.
8 and 5.
8 and 5. Your job is to get out an 8. Put the 9 back.
Okay.
This 9, put it back. Yeah.
The 9 goes back here.
Yeah, and then grab an 8 and a 5.
8.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, we're using our 10 as a measuring stick. So first the 8.
First. Okay.
Which one's the 8? Do you remember?
Wait, let me think.
This one's the 9. That one's the 8. Now, which one's the 5? Yep, and that one. See, she doesn't even have all her numbers. She doesn't know all her numbers yet. She's only 5.
I do know.
You know most of them.
She knows all of them, but she can't memorize them.
Yeah, but she doesn't know these, exactly. She doesn't know the blocks, is what I mean.
I never remember.
All right, so now you've got 8 and 5. What does the 8 want to be?
5.
What does the 8 want to be?
5.
8 wants to be 10. What does he always want to be?
10.
10. Okay, so if he wants to be 10, then what is 8 need to be a 10? What does 8 need? What is 8's friend that makes him 10?
You can also look at the 10 here and just kind of cut it right there.
Yeah.
To see.
So 8 plus what makes 10? In other words, if I got this guy out of here...
3.
Hold on a second. Put a 3 in there and see what happens. I think the 3 is going to be too big.
Close.
Close. So what does 8 need?
2.
Yeah, it needs a 2. So now that's same, right? Okay, now what we said is we're not going to give him a 2. We're going to give him more than a 2.
We need a 5.
We need a 5. So we're going to put him in there. So he takes the 2 still. And how many is left?
3.
Good. Stick him on there. Put the 3. So what is the same? 8 and 5 is the same as how much?
3.
Wait a minute.
Wait.
We gotta. Don't forget about this big guy over here. You can't just have 10 and 3. What's the name for 10 and 3?
13.
Very good. Excellent.
That's the answer.
Okay, yeah, and that's the answer. Very good. All right.
3 back in there.
Yep. All right. Another one. Maybe another bite of avocado.
Every time.
Yes.
Just every time we finish it.
Yeah. No, it's good.
5.
That's much better than like a sugar cookie or whatever. Right? Avocados are really good for your head. All right. So what do we got? 6 and 5. Oh my goodness. All right. So grab a 6 and a 5. One of your favorite colors. I have been informed.
They're about both.
There you go.
Last time I asked her what's her favorite color. She said blue. Now she says turquoise.
All right. Well, they're all turquoise is almost blue. Okay. So now what we got?
We got 6.
You got to have to add 1. We got a 6 and a 5, but I want to know what 6 and 5 is the same as.
6 and the 5 is same as 10 plus
1.
Yeah, I know. So put it in there. Good.
And what does that?
And what's 10 and 1? What comes after 10?
11.
Very good. So 6 and 5 and 11 are the same. In fact, we can even see. Can you see the equal sign? You can't miss that equal sign, can you?
That's equal.
Yep. Okay. Grab another one.
Whenever she counts to 10, she goes 9 and then 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. And then some tens. Dad was helping with tens.
Yeah.
And she's like, 10.
Can you count by tens?
Do it. Remember 1, just add a 0.
10, 20.
20, 30,
Yep.
40,
Yep.
50,
Yep.
60,
Yep.
70, 80,
Yep.
90, 20.
Wait a minute. 90, 100. Okay.
She can't get that ever.
That's okay. That'll go away, I
It
promise.
takes a little bit of time to remember it.
Yes, it does. It takes a little time to remember what's going on.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Okay,
5,
so
6, 7,
let's
8,
do
9.
another one. Grab another one. Anyway, just that one on top's good. Just that one's perfect. That's a
yeah,
great
it
one.
is.
Yes.
And it doesn't.
Okay,
equal
put your other guys
anything
back.
Over
Yeah.
10.
Okay, so get the blocks that you need. Put your other ones back. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. She's ready.
Yeah, that's wrong one.
Mm-hmm.
It still has a 6. So keep the 6 out.
Keep it. Okay, and keep
Now
it.
put the 1 back.
The 1 back.
And then you need
4.
It's 4 right there.
All right, because it says 6. There you go. So what's 6 and 4 the same as?
10.
Very good. Easy and fast, huh? All right. What if I have more than 6? What should I pick? I'm gonna pick 8. How much is that? Can you see the 6 hiding in there?
Yeah.
You see that 6 hiding in there?
But it's plus.
But there's some more
2.
sticking out. So how much?
2.
You're good. So what's 4 and 8 is the same thing as?
2.
Hold on a second. You forgot him again.
10.
So what's 10 and 2?
20.
Wait a minute. What's 10 and 2? There's a name for 10 and 2. What's the name for 10 and 2?
It's not 20. That's 10 and 10.
What comes after 11?
11.
Count for me from 1. 1, 2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
It's done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 8 and 4, same thing as 12.
12.
And
Got it?
4 and 6.
Give us another one.
Okay.
Okay.
How about this one?
Math
This
reclining.
is-
Ooh, here's a good one.
Oh, the 6.
7 and 6. Let's get these guys back in here.
Yep.
Let's get this
You
2
do
back
a
in
lot
there.
Got 2 in there. Yeah. Yeah, have another avocado.
It's because Raymond doesn't like avocados.
You should like avocados.
He likes avocados with salt.
The taste is fine with me, just it's so like.
You don't like the texture.
squishy.
Yeah, you don't like that squishy. Yeah. You should put guacamole, and then you could have them. You could eat them with chips and stuff, and then it wouldn't be squishy. It'd be crunchy and squishy.
Guacamole's good.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
I don't like avocados. Guacamole's good.
All right, you're slack. Oh no, you're not slacking. We didn't do this one. 7. You're slacking. 7 and 6. Grab the 7.
Grab the 7.
Yes, the 7.
It's right here.
Yes,
That's a
got the 7. Now I need a 6.
6 is right here.
Purple. Remember the colors for the
Good.
numbers.
Now what's not the same? What's gonna fit in there? The 7 wants to be 10. He needs 3. If you take 3 out of 6, what's left? Just put it there. I like the way you think about it every time, though. But, there you go. You got it fit. Perfect. Now, so what is it? 7 and 6 is the same thing as?
10.
No,
10 and
that's
some
this
more.
guy. You
10
forgot
and
this
some more.
Girl, I
3.
Yeah, so what's 10 and 3? We have a name for 10 and 3.
3.
No, that's
13.
10 and 10 and 10.
That's 3 10s. 13 is 10 and a 3, and 3 10s is 30. In fact, you know what? Let's take a brief pause. All right. Oh my. How many? It's the same as this one. It's just different color.
Yeah, it's just 10.
It's just 10. Now how many? 2 tens
2 10.
is... What do we call 2 tens?
2 10s is...
20.
Yeah, that's right.
20.
20.
Then
Not
what?
12. Don't get confused with
Yeah.
that now.
Then what? What comes after? Remember, we were just counting. 10, 20. Then what?
30.
There you go. 3 tens, 30.
Then I'll
And now, oh, can you see that? Look.
Yeah.
1 10 and 2 tens is the same thing as 3 tens,
Okay,
30.
I'm trying to not
like 2 plus
forget
1.
the thing that's
Only
in my
the
brain
tens.
right now.
What's the thing in your brain right now?
40.
40. That's the next one. Good.
That's
40. And 40 is the same thing as 3 tens and 1 10,
So 2 plus
or
1 is 4.
2 tens
And 2 tens.
and 2 more tens. Right? Is 40. All right, we're getting good here, and we're happy. All right.
Now,
5 tens. How many is that?
middle number.
50.
50.
Good job.
50 is the same thing as 20 and 30,
30.
or
Or
40
and 1.
10, right?
Yes.
And 1 10,
One
right?
tens.
Yep.
You can just remember them by 1 and then add the 0.
Oh,
If that's
60.
60.
Okay, I know this.
And you know.
70.
Yep.
80.
Yep.
90.
Wow, look at that dirty 90. That one needs to go in the washing machine.
And
I think that had glue on it at one point. Okay, and a big green one.
100.
100. So let's go backwards. Let's
Dad used to say big fat 100.
a big fat 100. There you go. There's 100, 90, 80. You stack them up.
70.
Put them on there.
stack them. Make sure they're
Kind of nice, yeah.
70.
Mm-hmm.
60. 15.
50.
50.
I'll show you. Here's 15. Wait a minute. Where'd my 10 go? Where'd the blue one go?
Disappeared.
Not. She's got it someplace. Where'd it go? Oh, it's hiding under here. All right. This
It's
15.
This is 50.
is 50.
Okay.
Right?
See the difference between
It sounds very much the same though, doesn't it? Almost the same. But this is 15. That means 510. That's old.
15.
And this is 50. Right. There you go.
15 and 15.
Right. Now what do you got? So 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 40, or 50, 40. Then what?
30.
Yep. 30. Then what?
20.
Yep. And then
And
10.
10.
Now see,
tower.
with these two we can pretty much start adding any two numbers,
no.
right? Because if I wanted to, I could take 20.
Okay,
Here,
I'm
Raymond,
gonna
for
eat
you.
Another avocado.
Yes, you have another avocado. Me and Raymond will play for a second.
Yeah.
So there's 24
He's big.
and 37.
Me. Yes.
What is it when I add 24 and 37?
21.
24 and 37. What am I going to have?
4 and 37 equals. Wait. 62.
Try again. How am I going to get 2 when I have a 4 and a 7?
4 and a 7 equals. Oh, it's 61.
There you
Because 4 and a 7
is
equals-
11.
Yeah, so,
Right,
and then
there
this
you go.
equals 5, but
All
the
right,
11
all right.
can't be in the ones place, so.
All right. How about 40? Well, we did that one already. How about 48? 48 and 70. Well, let's not go 70. We'll go over 100, so we don't want to do that. Let's do. We're still gonna go over 100. We'll do 36.
36. So 8 plus 6
Mm-hmm.
is, what is it again? 14.
Mm-hmm.
And 4 plus 3 is 7, so it's 84.
I like it. Now look at this.
'Cause you
I'm
add
gonna
this-
show you. I'm gonna show you a faster way to do this.
Yeah.
Oh, because that's all it is just how I do it quickly.
Yes.
Is that 70?
Yes.
Do I know this is a 10?
Yes.
Do I know how much of a 10? I'm not worried about that at the moment, right?
Yeah, this
at
is
the moment, I just know that this is going to be 80, and now I got to figure out that, okay, so this is 80, and then I have a 4, right?
Yes.
So 84. You see what I'm saying? Don't trouble your mind. Don't even worry about the right. I just know that this is more. So this is one more, and then I just got to figure out.
You can
right?
just do this.
You know, do me a favor and eat that so it doesn't get all over my
Yeah.
brand new spanking bread spread that I just got done washing. So eat it so that you don't get all over the place. And here,
Yeah.
give me that so you don't drop the tablet
You
on
can
the
do this.
thing. Yeah.
You can do this.
Yeah.
You can do this.
Yes, there you go.
It's 80.
Yep. Yep. And 4
80.
sticking up.
And 4.
Yep, there you go. All right. Now we're going to get a little bigger. How about 70 and... Okay. Do I already know that this is going to be more than 100?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right, now, so I'm going to go with 6 and 3. Would that be easy? Because then I know I'm not even have a 10, right?
Yes.
All right. But what if I made it 7? Now, hold on a second. I've got 100. I know that.
Yes.
How much of 100? How much over 100, I mean?
7 plus 3
Is
10,
100.
so it's 12.
Right, but
so it's
wait.
120.
All right, but wait a minute. What about these guys?
Yes, so these equal 7.
130, right?
Yeah, 130.
And then I just got to figure out what that is.
133.
Done. There you go. Right? Okay.
If you do
But see,
that.
what I'm doing is I'm showing him, I'm setting him up without, do you see any pens and paper? Do you see
No.
any pencils and stuff? But later on, you'll be able to go from left to right instead of right to left, right? You don't have to add, count the big ones first, man. Right? You count the big ones first, you're going to be more accurate and it's going to be faster.
Is there a way to... I believe there is.
What?
For the personal products stuff, we're doing 4-digit numbers.
Mm-hmm.
2 and 2.
What do you mean?
Like, so like 4, like, say, you take a 4-digit number times something.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're doing 2-digit numbers times 2, which is easy.
Okay,
It's
I'll show you how.
just a
I'll show you how to do
format.
that too. All right, let's take a short break
Say
and
like-
we'll come back and do more of these.
Okay.
But you want to? I mean, we can play with that easily.
Yes.
Yeah, right. And we were just fooling around with some fractions. That was simple.
You can do like, so give me a, like
Try
1,000 times 1 something.
1,000 times 27.
No, it has to be like with different numbers.
What do you mean?
Make it with
Like
different numbers.
1,350
Yeah, something like that.
times 2.
Okay, 1,000.
1,350 2 times. We don't have the right blocks here.
No, we can't like divide and
Yeah.
yeah.
But I could pretend that this is 1,000. That these are hundreds.
1,000. Here, let me. 1,000.
300 and 1,300, and I got to use my imagination. That's a half of one right there.
This is how we did, put the 2 there, and 1,300 and what?
And 50.
And 50.
So just half of one. Think about it. So I'd have 2,600, 700. Done.
Yeah.
Oh, darn it. I missed it. I missed it. Oh, the expression on his face as he did the calculations, and it went, oh.
If,
Right?
If this fitted,
Yeah.
say here, let's just make it fit.
We'll make it. We'll make it work.
I'm trying
And
to
then
chop this up.
1,300 and
Do you want me to cut it up for you?
and 50 what? And 50.
1,350. Well, see, I'm making each one of these 100. Pretend that this is a big one of these,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So then I'd have 10 of them. 10 hundreds is
10 hundreds is 1,000.
1,000. And then each one of these, where'd you do with the 3 that we just had? Okay, there we go. All right, so bam, right?
Yes.
So 13.
Whoop.
Whoop, yeah, there you go. No, but I mean, now 50, you got to think is half of one of these. In other words,
Oh, yeah.
it'd be this, but we don't have a piece that will go there. But if we use our imagination, it'd be half of this. Can you imagine that?
Oh, yeah.
So then I'd have 1,350, then I'd have 2,600, and then the 50 and the 50. What's 50 and another 50?
50 and 100.
There you go. So it's 1,700. So instead of 16, I have 17.
Here, if you just make it longer.
Right.
And then-
And that's actually addition, but it's also multiplication,
This
right?
is just the bottom to like we make a rectangle and we divide it into the thousands, the 300s, and the 50.
Mm-hmm.
So
Bam.
say this is the rectangle. Forget
Yeah.
about this part and this part.
Yeah.
And then it would be 1,000, and then divide it right here.
Mm-hmm.
The 300 and the 50,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put the 4. Wait, what's it, times 2? And then 1,000 times 2 is 2,000.
Mm-hmm.
1,000 times 6, 600.
What's 1,000? Yeah. Oh, 1,000 times 3 is 6.
100.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. There you go. And see, he's using the blocks in a different way to imagine it in his head. Yes, I see what you're doing. Okay.
Guess where the elf on the shelf is today?
I don't know where.
On my birthday present.
Oh no.
No.
No, it's not her birthday present.
Does he run around the house at night?
No,
He's like, wake up. What's that noise from the kitchen?
Yeah.
No, it's like today he's on my birthday present.
Mm-hmm.
What? Guess what is it?
I don't know.
Guess it.
I have no idea.
Guess what's on my nails?
Oh, fingernail polish?
and then guess.
I don't know.
Fingernail polish maker thing.
No, Ray, it's Nail Art Studio.
Fingernail polish.
It's Nail Art Studio?
Yes.
You gotta... Is that like
He's
a...
just
I don't
sitting
know.
on it like, holding my blue nail polish and my nail file.
Wasting battery.
Okay, I know exactly. Let's go back to math.
Yeah.
All right. Hold on. We'll come back to it in a second. We'll do some other stuff in a second.
And then start.
So we moved venue. See, in camera time, it's instantaneous.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, when you watch the video, you'll see.
He's losing
Right?
magical.
But actually, quite a bit has happened since the last time I turned the camera on.
Yes.
And then notice we got a couple of... Oh, hi there. And then we got a couple of... Here, go help your brother. I'm getting ready to travel, so... Oh no! See, you got a knot set. See, careful what you're doing. Got some playing cards here. And some duct tape here that needs to go away.
Okay, here.
Anyway.
For the e-bounce it.
Yep. And math bag about to get packed.
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
Okay, and then...
Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot.
This goes over this one.
Anyway, the idea is... Oh! Now you gotta build it again.
Wait, how did...
Okay, now you have to help. You have to help him build it.
Yeah.
Okay, so help him. So
Eight plus two is
8 and a
10.
2 is a 10. 9 and a 1.
Where'd the one go?
I don't know where to go. It went flying. There you go.
Yeah, 8 and
I set it up for you.
But here's the bottom line. Play math. Just play math. That's all it is. Play math. If you play math, they learn math. That's all it is. Alright, he's got his next level going on. Cool. You know you can make more than just 4, you know. You could put a couple in the middle and a couple on the sides if you wanted to. You don't have to all just be on the corners.
Ooh.
And that could be stronger. Careful, careful,
Yeah,
careful.
Kitty. It has to be perfect.
Here, Ray. I got it all set up for you.
There you go. Excellent. Crewton Ramone's House of Math.com for more.